Good morning, class 9th. Today in this video I'll be telling you how to draw a line segment of length root 5 centimeters. That is question number 6 of exercise 1D. Now in this method, some of the methods are given in your book also, in that you can follow those also, and here I'll tell you one more method as which you can follow. This method is very simple. You have to see that what is the length of the line segment asked to you, that is root 5 centimeters. Now what you will do, you will construct a line segment of length 5 centimeters in this. So I'll construct a line segment of length 5 centimeters first. So 5 centimeter is here. Let us name this line segment as AB. After that, produce this line segment AB to C such that BC is equal to 1 centimeter. So first step is to construct AB is equal to 5 centimeter. Then produce this line segment 1 centimeter more. That means BC you have to make 1 centimeter more with a scale. After that, this full line segment AC is equal to how much? 6 centimeter. Now you have to draw the midpoint of this line segment ACE. So what you will do, this is full how much? This is 6 centimeters. So half of AC will be equal to 3 centimeters. So put your compass at A and mark 3 centimeter here on this AC line. Put your compass at A and mark 3 centimeter here on this line segment AC. So this is the point O, and how much is OA? That is equal to 3 centimeters. Since it is the midpoint of AC, that means OA is equal to OC is equal to 3 centimeter. Both are 3 centimeters. Now the next step here will be to construct a semicircle with center O and radius equal to OA. So what we'll do for that, you will put your compass at O, open it up to A and make a semicircle. So we'll make a semicircle after that. This semicircle has O center and OA is the radius. So we will make a semicircle. After making the semicircle, you will put your compass at B and make a perpendicular here. At B, you make a perpendicular. You know how to make a perpendicular? You have to make a 90-degree angle at point B. So make a 90-degree angle at point B. So you know how to make 90 degrees? First 60, then 120, then one arc from 60, one arc from 120, and this is your 90 degree. Then produce this line straight away, and then this line segment, that is this perpendicular, meets this semicircle at point D, and this BD length will automatically be equal to root 5 centimeters. You don't have to show the proof of this or whatever. Directly you have to follow the steps and do your construction. That's it. So this BD is equal to 5 centimeter. Now you have to locate this BD on this line segment AC. So you produce this AC some more time. So produce it. What you will do? Put your compass at B. We have found this length of root 5 centimeter. What you will do? Put your compass at B. Open it up to D and mark one more arc on this line segment AC produced. So what you will do? Put your compass at B, open it up to D and mark one more arc on this side. So here, from here, this point, I'll mark an arc one more time. What is the length of this arc? The length of this arc is same as BD, because here we have to form a line segment of length equal to root 5 centimeter. So we have to mark it here. BD is equal to root 5, we have found it, and we have to mark the same length towards this side. So same length, how you can mark? Put your compass here, open it up to D, and then from B mark one more arc here and name this point as E. This length BE will be equal to root 5 centimeters. So in this question, BE finally you have got as root 5 centimeters. So same method you will follow for root 3 also. I'll tell you that also. Root 3, what you will do for root 3. Now in short way. Okay. The repetition of the same method but with some other measurements. So that is your question number 7. Root 3. What are you going to do for root 3? You will make a, this is root 3 centimeters. Okay. Root 3 centimeters. What are you going to do? Make a line segment equal to how much? What we have done in the previous question? equal to the length 3 centimeters. So I make 3 centimeters. Then the next step was what? Produce this B. How much? 1 centimeter. In every question you have to produce only 1 centimeter more. So 1 centimeter. Name this point as C. This is how much? 1 centimeter. Now the full length AC is how much? 3 plus 1, that is 4. Now we have to mark the midpoint of line segment AC. So for that, how much is AC? 3 plus 1, 4 centimeter. Half of that will be 2 centimeter. So mark it here. That is 2 centimeter. From A, mark 2 centimeter. This is how much? From here to here, how much it is? 2 centimeters. So mark this point as O. What is the length of OA? 2 centimeters. After that, what was the next step? From O, that means this is a center, and taking radius as OA, make a semicircle. So we'll make a semicircle. Taking center as O and radius as OA, make a semicircle. After making the semicircle, what is the next step? Make a perpendicular at point B. So we'll make a perpendicular at point B. This perpendicular you extend it. It meets the semicircle at point D. What is the length of BD? What will be the length of BD? In the previous question, we have to find root 5. So automatically this was equal to root 5 centimeter. In this question, we have to find root 3. So automatically this BD will be equal to root 3 centimeter. Now we have to locate this much length on this line segment also. So produce this AC, little bit more, produce it. How much we have to mark? Root 3. Root 3 measurement we have found, that is BD. Put your compass at B, open it up to D, and mark one more arc on this side. This is the point E. So what is the length of this BE in this question? In this question, the length of BE is what we have to find, that is root 3 centimeters. So here we have found BE is equal to root 3 centimeters. As simple as that. Same method you can follow for root 8 or any root, you can use it, and irrational numbers you can easily locate by this. I'll be sending one more video to you. You can follow that also to make these irrational numbers, and it's your choice how you want to construct. You want to follow this method or any other method, that is completely your choice. Thank you.